How to add skills in LinkedIn profile. Just you have to install the LinkedIn app from your Play Store. Now open it in your Android. You can see at the top there is an option of me. Click on it and you can see here there is a view profile. Just you have to click on view profile. We are going to add skills here. You can see there is an add section. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on add section and how we can add a skill here. Where is the skill? You can see add a skill. Just click on add a skill and write the any skill, like I am going to write this skill. Just you have to click on save. This procedure can be applied on the Android as well as on iPhone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.